Assalamu alaikum students, class 7 chapter number 17, and today we have to learn about what is tessellation. A tessellation is created when a flat shape is repeated over and over and over, covering a plane without leaving any space in between. Another word for tessellation is tiling. Look at these figures. These are circles. When we organized a circle, there is a space between them. This black shade is a space between these circles. But when we have to put the hexagonals in organized way, there is no space between them. So hexagonal is the good example of tessellation because there is no space between them, and in circles there is a space left behind them. Look at these pictures: squares, rectangles, triangles, trapeziums, parallelograms, rhombuses, and hexagonal tessellate, or a clever combination of any of these shapes. But keep in mind, we can use same shape for one tessellation, and the another word for tessellation is tiling. Okay students, now we have to learn about what is the circumference of a circle. The distance around the boundary of a circle is called its circumference. To find the circumference of a circle, just put a thread along the circumference. Take care to avoid overlapping the two ends of the thread. The distance of the thread that covers the boundary of the circle is the circumference of that circle. If we have to find the circumference of that circle, put a thread along here, and the distance of the thread is the circumference of that circle, and this distance is known as its diameter of the circle. This is a circle, and this is the fixed point called center of the circle, and this distance is known as diameter of the circle, and the half distance of the diameter is called its radius. For any circle, when the circumference is divided by the diameter, the answer is a number that approximates to 3.14 or 22/7. This number is called pi and is denoted by the symbol pi. When we have to divide the 22/7, we get the same answer 3.14 up to so on. This is called the pi and is denoted by pi. Keep in mind, pi is a natural constant equal to irrational number. This is an irrational number, 3.14159265 up to so on. Okay, now we have to write the formula of circumference. C is equals to pi multiplied by d, where d is the diameter of that circle, or as we know that d is equals to 2r, diameter is a double of the radius. So when we have to put d is equal to 2r, we get the formula C is equals to 2 pi r. So there are two formulas of circumference. C is equals to pi d, or C is equals to 2 pi r is the circumference of the circle. Okay students, now move to area of a circular region. The area of a circle with radius r is equals to pi r square, where pi is equals to 22/7 or 3.142 up to so on, and radius is the r square is the radius of the circle. Area of a circle is equals to pi r square, and as we know that the area can be written in the square term. So area of a circle is equals to pi r square, centimeter square, meter square, but in square terms. Okay students, let's start our exercise in exercise 17b. Take pi to be 3.142 unless stated otherwise. इसका मतलब ये है कि जिन क्वेश्चंस के आगे आपको पाई की वैल्यू गिवन है, उनमें तो आपने वही यूज़ करनी है, पाई इक्वल 22/7. लेकिन जिन क्वेश्चंस में आपको वैल्यू गिवन नहीं है, वहाँ आपने 3.142 यूज़ करना है. Take pi to be 3.142 unless stated otherwise. Okay, question number 1. Find the area of a circle of radius 3.5 centimeter. The radius of a circle is given, and we have to find the area of the circle. Radius of a circle is given in the question 3.5 centimeter, and we have to find the area of the circle. A is equals to pi r square. Pi is equals to 3.142 because there is no stated that pi the value of pi, so we have to put pi is equals to 3.142, and r is equals to 3.5. So r square is equal to 3.5 square. 3.5 square can be written twice, 3.5 multiplied by 3.5. Now we have to multiply 3.5 with the 3.5. 3.5 सिंपल मल्टीप्लिकेशन वैसे करेंगे जैसे हम आम नंबर से करते हैं, और मल्टीप्लिकेशन के बाद हमें आंसर मिलेगा. तो पॉइंट कैसे लगाना है? इस पॉइंट के बाद कितनी वैल्यूज हैं 1, और इस पॉइंट के बाद कितनी वैल्यूज हैं 1. सो 1 + 1 2, हमने 2 वैल्यूज़ को छोड़कर पॉइंट लगाना है. सो 3.5 multiplied by 3.5 is equals to 12.25, and when we have to multiply 3.142 with the 12.25, we get the answer 38.48950. इस पॉइंट के बाद 3 वैल्यूज़, इस पॉइंट के बाद 2 वैल्यूज़, सो 5 वैल्यूज़. 1 2 3 4 5. So 38.48950 centimeter square is the answer, is the area of the circle. Okay students, question number 2 is as same as question number 1, so it is your homework. Question number 3, find the radius of a circle with an area of 616 centimeter square and pi value is given. Now we have to find the area, radius of a circle when area is given. We have to find the radius of a, so we have to find the radius of a circle is equals to question mark. Area of the circle A is equals to, as given in the question, 616 centimeter square, and pi, the value of pi is given in the question, so put pi is equals to 22/7. And as we know that the area of a circle is equals to pi r square, and when area is given, so we have to put the value of A, 616 centimeter square, is equals to pi is equal to 22/7 multiplied by r square. 7 यहाँ डिवाइड हो रहा है, वहाँ जाकर मल्टीप्लाई होगा, 22 यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, वहाँ जाकर डिवाइड, इज इक्वल टू आर स्क्वायर. व्हेन वी हैव मल्टीप्लाई 616 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 7 वी गेट द आंसर 4312 इज इक्वल टू आर स्क्वायर. व्हेन वी हैव डिवाइड 4312 over 22 we get the answer 196 centimeter square, but it is the value of r square. We have to find the value of r. So for the value of r, we have to find the square root of 196, that is equals to 114. We have to find the square root of 196 by the division method here. So r is equals to 14 centimeter. It is the radius of the circle with area is when given 616 centimeter square. Okay students, now next question is calculate the area of a circular ring. एक circular ring का हमने क्या find करना, area whose internal and external radii are 3 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively. Respectively का क्या मतलब होता है कि पहले अगर internal की बात हुई है तो इसका मतलब पहले जो value होगी वो internal का radii होगा, और जो external दोबारा बाद में बात हुई है तो इसका मतलब जो दूसरी value होगी वो external होगी. Respectively का मतलब ये होगा. Now we have to find the area of a circular ring. First of all we have to find the area of internal ring. Then find the area of external ring. Then we have to subtract these values to get the answer of the area of a circular ring. So there are two radius, so we have to put r1 and r2. Internal radius of a ring is equals to r1, that is equal to 3 centimeter. So internal area of the ring will be equal to pi r1 square. Pi, the value of pi is not given in the question, so we have to put pi is equal to 3.142. r1 is equal to 3 square. 3 square 9, and when we have to multiply them, we get the answer 28.278 centimeter square. Now external radius of a ring r2 is equal to 10 centimeter. So external area of the ring is equal to pi r2 square. Pi is equal to 3.142 and r2 is equal to 10. 10 square is equal to 100, and we get the answer 314.2 centimeter square. To find the area of a circular ring, we have to subtract internal area from the external area of the ring. So 314.2 minus 28.278, that is equals to 285.922 centimeter square. So 285.922 centimeter square is the area of the circular ring.